Guys, in today's video I'm gonna unbox this noise loop smartwatch. Before I unbox this watch, first of all I would like to thank my sister who has gifted me this watch on my birthday. So let's unbox this smartwatch. As you can see, the packing of this watch is very nice. So let's open the box. Let's open this watch. Okay, we have a user manual. And a warranty card, and here is our watch. Let's see what's inside the box. We have a charger. This is really very unique, but I really like it, and a USB cable for charging this watch. Let's see the watch. This watch is looking really nice. Before I boot up this smartwatch, first of all I would like to tell you about the specification of this smartwatch. This smartwatch has an impressive design, a supreme display, and a robust build with 1.3 HD IPS round screen, 240x240 resolution with double switching UI interface. It has 6 watch faces. This watch comes with a silicone strap and a metal casing. If I talk about the material of this watch, gun color metal house with black silicone strap is used in this watch. It has a heart rate sensor behind. And if I talk about the processor of this smartwatch comes with MediaTek 2502C, which is a lower power consumption chipset, and it has a 280 mAh battery with standby time up to 3 days. It has a 128 MB RAM and a 64 MB ROM. If I talk about the features of this watch, first of all I would like to boot up this smartwatch. So let's boot up this smartwatch. As you can see, we have 6 watch faces in this. Okay, this is the basic. Yes, if I swipe right, then I have many features in this. Let's see. That's normal. I have calendar, I have alarm, messages, dialer, phone book. Let's wear this. As you can see, this watch is looking amazing on my hand. The silicone strap is also good. It has a motion sensor, as you can see. Also, the charger of this watch is very different. There are 4 pins for charging this watch. If I talk about the features of this watch, let's see what we can do with this smartwatch. This watch is supported on both Android as well as on iOS. You can also change the style of main menu. As you can see, the style of menu has been changed now. This watch has a pedometer, heart rate sensor, Siri, a clock, motion sensor as I told you earlier, a calculator, stopwatch, ECG, health index. Also you can there's option to play music via Bluetooth. Also you can use a remote camera, file manager. There's also an anti-theft option in this. Let me try to reduce the brightness of this device. Now it is better. Let's see the calculator. Let's see the dialer of this watch. The touch of this watch is really smooth. This is the back button. As you can see, this is the back button. If I swipe right, I got the access to the main menu. Let's see calendar. Also, this watch has 6 watch faces, but you can also download new watch faces from the Play Store. If I talk about heart rate sensor, you can just wear the watch and start. It will measure the heartbeat of your heart. It has a pedometer, which will tell you about the steps, calories. It has also a sleep monitor, which will record your sleeping activity. If you are thinking to buy this watch, this is a perfect watch. It costs about 7,000 rupees, but after discount you can get this watch at 5,000 rupees. This watch is available on both Amazon as well as on Flipkart, so you can buy this watch. I think if you want some smartwatch experience, this is a must-buy watch. The design of this watch is really nice. It looks premium. And the best part about this watch is silicone strap. This is the heart rate sensor, as you can see. Also, if your budget is low, there are many varieties in noise loop light, noise loop turbo, which costs around 4,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. That's it. Thank you.